Baby, I can have the little baggy bang. It's very tight right now, but I love it.
Hurry me up, P. Corners in the paddock ain't my piece. A push a P. Cop new helmets for my piece. We don't want no peace.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Taylor from Taylor's Muse. I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, and creativity. So whatever comes to my creative mind, I just go ahead and record it. Speaking of, today we'll be recording a hair tutorial because y'all can see their hair is looking a little crazy, so we're about to snatch it together. Okay, this is gonna be a little hair tutorial, but disclaimer, I am not a professional, I am not a hairstylist, I am just doing my hair with you guys. Today I'll be doing a perm rod set, so I'll be using the orange ones and the gray ones for the front. I know the gray ones are really small, but we use what we got around here. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you style your hair like this. And yes, I hope that you stay tuned to watch the video, and I hope that you enjoy it. Let's jump right into it, guys. I haven't done my hair in a while. It's been in a bun, so this is well overdue, guys. I just wanted to try this one product because I seen it going viral on Instagram, and they did their perm rods or their flexi rod set with one product. So I'm like, hold on, let me give that a try. It's this, the Doux. I believe that's how you say it, the Doux. The Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam High Definition Control Mousse. So this is the product. And yeah, I'm only going to be using this and some hair oil. I'm going to put some leave-in spray in my hair just because that's just what I do. I mean, that doesn't even count. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. That's all you need. You might need a comb or a brush, but I have fingernails, so I'm just going to part in little sections because I'm not that picky. So first, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair. I'm just going to do like a top section.
Hurry up, P. Corners in the paddock ain't my piece.
Okay, and then I'm going to do two more sections here in the back. So I'm going to look something like this. Okay, I'm going to start on this side. So just go ahead and roll this up as well.
Got a spotted puff spot.
With the pacifiers in his head, that's what my hair looks like right now. I'm just going to be using this argan oil leave-in conditioner. It smells really good, guys. I love this stuff. So I'm only going to spray a little bit in my hair. I'm sorry for the background noise, but baby, I am hot. It's hot in here. I'm going to go ahead and just section off my hair. And then I'm going to just put them in 2 strand twists to just hold the separation. And then I'm going to do that for this whole entire section. So now that I have this part sectioned off, I'm just going to go ahead and take out the braid. It does seem a little counterproductive, but I promise you it's not. It'll save you time in the long run. But I'm going to go ahead and take out my twist. And then here are my sections. Right? So in this section, I'm going to go ahead and take the mousse. I'm going to shake it up too. A couple of pumps. And then just run it through. I might not even honestly need the water. Just run it through. I want to make sure I get the roots, so my roots aren't too fluffy. So oil, a little brush out to make sure that your hair is tangled. Take your perm rod set, your perm rod all the way to the end. Go ahead and start rolling it up. Told y'all, I'm not a professional. This is just how I'm doing my hair. then go ahead and just snap it in place. Oh, it broke. It's like only stuff like that happens when you're filming, because I ain't never broke one of these things before. So I guess it was just like show them one more time. So I'm gonna wrap it around the bottom. And then I'm gonna take it and just roll it on up. And secure it. Now, really the only difference between perm rods and flexi rods, one, perm rods are hard, like the texture of them are hard, while a flexi rod on the other hand is soft. It's also bendable. It's not bending, it's not doing none of that. It's hard plastic. What I like about the perm rod is that I can secure my hair in place with the band around it. I can't do that with the flexi rod, but also I find that like my flexi rods will come out of my head. Them jaws will fall right out. So I do like the perm rods, but if I had to like sleep in it, I would for sure choose flexi rods, for sure. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just do this to the rest of my hair. Wrong way.
I'm pushing P, pushing P, I'm pushing P, pushing P, I'm pushing P, pushing P.
And then just start like
Pushing P, pushing P.
working your wrists. You gotta do some wrist motions. And throw that thing in a circle, baby. We're gonna go ahead and get started on this front section now. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bun out. Now the only difference in the front is that I'm gonna add in some gray flexi rods, especially to my U part area, to give it like some more definition and volume. Let's split this into two sections too. My arms is tight.
Why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that it was super things. Something's going down, that's the way it seems. Shouldn't be the reason why you act straight. Nobody's holding you back from me. I know how you used to do. When you're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody said...
Okay guys, now that my hair is sectioned off, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the process once again in this section of my hair. So let's go ahead and continue so I can be done, because your girl is hot and tired.
Then tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Say my name. No one is around you. Baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name.
So that you really know what you're doing when you go to do this style. So all I do is lather my hair with some mousse. I'm brushing it out. In the front, I'm choosing to use smaller Perm Rods because my hair is so much thinner and shorter in the front. But I just take my hair, wrap my ends around the end of a Perm Rod, and then I hold it here where my hair is, and then I take it and then I just start to wrap it around itself. Can you see that? Just wrap it in a circle until you can no longer wrap it. Lock it on the side that's closest to your scalp. If that makes sense.
Don't try to change it now. Saying you gotta bounce when 2 seconds ago said you just got in the house. It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel you gotta lie?
Just like that. I'm gonna go finish this side and then check back with you guys. Okay guys, so I just finished up rolling up my hair. Now I'm about to go sit underneath the dryer for a couple of hours. Basically let these marinate and let them dry, and then I'll check back in with you guys. Fingers crossed that they came out right, guys, because I haven't done a Perm Rod set in so long. So let's see. And I only use really only use one product because I stopped using the oil. I said I'll just oil it when I take them out. But stay tuned and let's find out this end result in 3, 2, 1. I love it because like I can't never get this type of shape with my regular curl pattern, so I'm like baby, I can have the little top, the little baggy bang. This is what we have going on. Again, it is very tight right now. I don't know what the back looking like, guys. Y'all tell me. Y'all tell me. But I'm about to get up out of here and go to work, so I'll check in with you guys later this week and show you guys how this style is holding up. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched this far, let me know down below if you do this style, and let me go. I love you guys. Peace. Wait.